Corey Sheck. I'm here, Alex Sheeler, for the first annual Broadcast Ninja Warrior. He's our first contestant. Alex, how do you feel about this?
I'm pretty confident. I mean, I've been training for a while, so I think I got this in the bag.
Alright, so approximately how much do you train?
I mean, I like to train 5 times a week, like out of the 7 days. Go to the gym, free run, parkour, and all that kind of stuff.
Alright, that's all we have time for right now. Good luck on your run, and don't break a leg, man.
Thanks.
Our first contestant, Alex Sheeler. To the line. And he's off. Alex. How does it make you feel that, know that you're number one in the world at Broadcast Ninja Warrior?
Oh, it's the best feeling in the world.
You know that you got a very good time. How hard did you have to work for that?
Oh, so many years of training and everything. It's got me to this point.
Alright, well, good luck to you in your future, and you're moving on to the next round.
Thank you.
I hate Mrs. Merger. It was August 31st, 2015. We walked into Merger's classroom.
Our day was ruined. Okay, there were a lot of people, they were standing there by the door. Now we're walking into the studio. Newman was in front of me. Merge was coming towards us. As she passes, Newman turns and says, "Thanks for nothing, Merge."
A second later, something happened that changed us in a deep and profound way from that day forward.
What was it?
She spit on us. And I screamed, "I'm hit!"
Then I ricocheted off him and it hit me.
Unfortunately, the immutable laws of physics contradict your story. Please allow me to recreate it as I've heard it many times. Now, Kramer, Newman, if you'll indulge me, according to your story, Merge walks up the ramp and passes you. The spit then strikes Kramer in the right temple, ricochets off of him, hitting Newman between the third and the fourth rib. It then splashes off of his rib, hitting him in the right hand, here. Then, it ricochets off of his wrist, pauses in mid-air, mind you, and makes a left turn into Newman's thigh. That is one magic movie.
Oh, Jerry, that's the way it happened.
Kramer, what happened to your head when you were hit?
Well, my head went back and to the left.
So you're saying it went back and to the left. Back and to the left.
Jerry, what are you saying?
I'm saying that the spitter could not have come from behind. He must have come from the front, from already inside the studio. Therefore, there must have been a second spitter.
Jerry, you're not. I'm leaving.
Wait.
I'm Billy Strelakis, and today I'm gonna show you how to cook a thing for open house. Now, to begin today, we're gonna start off by cooking a delectable antipasta. Alright, so first, what you're gonna need is some fresh carrots. Now, as you can see, that's a good carrot. Now, simply, neatly put your carrots onto one plate. And now, we cut. Now, normally people use a knife to cut carrots, but I can't exactly afford one, so we're gonna use a more traditional method. And now we cut. Perfect. Now, this carrot has reached the point where if you ate one, you would experience all the memories and treasures contained within. Now, of course, I would be betraying the great Chef Order if I didn't try my creation first. Oh, it's good.
Hello Hogwarts, this is Albus Dumbledore, your headmaster, and this year we'll be having an open house, and I shaved.
Are you excited for open house tonight?
Yes, I'm excited for my parents to see my teachers.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
It is.
My mother's a muggle though, so she's not a wizard.
She's not a wizard.
No, no, not at all. But my dad is. My dad is.
Oh,
so that's
I
why
see.
I'm a wizard.
I see.
Yeah.
Boys, can we please not talk about this right now? My parents are dead.
Oh, Harry!
Oh, freaking nerd.
Yeah, you nerd.
Come on, guys.
No one cares about you, Harry.
Can't wait for broadcast class.
Me either.
Let's get this. Go. Harry! Town ready?
Good.
Expect your politeness. I'm good. I'm really good. And Archie.
Today in Hogwarts News, there was a wild wolf running around, attacking 3 of our students. They're severely injured and in the hospital right now. Back to you, Boomer.
Guys, the handbags go to Bruin Open House. I'm gonna go look for them right now in the field.
Oh, okay.
Tonight on Big Broadcasting.
I just got into Major 1. Oh my gosh, I wonder who's coming into the class now.
Me too.
Hey!
I'm Sam.
I'm Maddie. Hi. I can already tell that Val won't last a week.
We should totally make an alliance.
I think we would work well together.
Yeah.
I can really see myself becoming great friends with Val.
Hi, Major 1 guests.
Hi, Merge.
Your first test is to name all of the shot types. The person who gets the least amount of shot types correct is evicted. Your test results are in. Maddie, you have been evicted from the Big Broadcasting classroom. Pack your backpack and leave.
I'm so glad she's gone.
I knew she would make it a day in this classroom.
is Russell.
What?
My name is...
Speak up!
My name is...
Stop yelling, follow me. Keep your distance. This is my contraption.
What are you doing? Don't you know it needs helium to fly? You okay?
Want to snipe?
Sure.
Shh, gotta be quiet. There's your snipe.
Impossible.
FBI. FBI.
Remember the Rocket. Sir, he's retired. I need him. I'm sorry, Captain. I'm retired. This makes it personal. Do you expect me to talk? I don't expect you to talk, Mr. Rocket. I expect you to cry. Looks like it's time for this round. Flash out.